Yeah, that one, I turned him the boy. Him gone, you know.
Just make it run. Money comes inside.
You can't wait to touch right inside them, man.
That money you do. Inside.
Yeah, man, today I feed them there, you know. Bowser win, him have 3 points from the board, me have 6. Still at heading of the league, but now I complain. Now I complain. Tomorrow is another day. I should have never agreed to that fucking small sided, you know. The boss came to me and said, hey, you want to play? I said, yeah. Ah! Man, they must say, lads, no foul me. A big foul, lad, father.
No foul, that experience. Just a little nudge.
It was a little nudge. Big ups, big ups, big ups. It's a great day today, you know. Give thanks feed cause the last couple of days been grimy, man. Dogs them there, you know. One thing. Goalkeeper them not count when they score, you know, so they miss. No, the one them wire near post by you. You think me I go back that way there? What, me uncle? No, why only stay so? No, because, okay, my score too spectacular. So I put one over the top. Go man. Nah, the goal is here. No problem. No, my sky that one that's still bad. Kill him in here. Jaja. What a day, eh? Simon want a bigger size games. Years too, you know? You want a double XL, innit? Music, speaker, the man left the speaker every day, man forget the speaker. Then play the speaker and then left it in the room so they forget. And I see them one man and I keep it then whole trip. Fruits. Kingy, that piece of watermelon there, please.
Full of best man, when they want best, just call me. The big guy.
Yeah, big guy, bro.
Man, them this time my JBL, I left it away name there. Thanks. I left it up.
Watermelon?
Into the work yourself.
A 2 classic man, half of the left, no look, me give half of the left, you know. Go, let me go near post. Half of the left. Yeah, boss, and none you have left. Say yes, sir. Good thing.
Blood tonic. The world where I love Shako.
You want to see what go on? Man, them a clean them boots. Man, them. Boss gone already. No, see the other, so?
1 minute.
1 minute? Me outside then, man.
Yeah.
Look. Look at that.
Really?
Core crepe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm winning today, guys, you know?
What's there?
I'm winning today,
You
man.
talk like just win today like I'm a dictator.
I'm winning today. So, I'm a vice now, you know?
So I'm a defender them.
No, you're schooling today.
Yes, I'm a defender them. Menke, come here.
No, I'm schooling today, so, you know?
Happy. They go like a 1 day, no regular schooling.
No, you know, injury. So, on to the day before. So, on to the day before.
Yeah, you win.
So, that 3 points that you have, me have 6.
I want to see me say nightmare. I want them dream to come true.
About second left for you, know? Move. Ooh! Ooh! It's too rainy.
You're gonna melt, right? You're gonna melt?
Yeah, I'm gonna in the rain. I'm sweet like sugar. Next day, sick beer. Security. Run, 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 run. Hey guys, see you tomorrow.
Take care.
What's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Come take a quick picture. Come. Come, quick.
Oh, wait.
One of them.
Okay.
Come on. Alright. You wanna come in?
No.
Wait.
Come on, one at a time. Ready?
No. Hey, gotta go.
Ready. No, it's okay. Come. Come. No problem.
You got me?
We had to stay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Yeah. You gotta keep them happy.
Right, huh?
Yeah.
I'm messing for one. No one of them.
Yeah, man, I'm messing with them. Come take a picture. But I you know what it is.
Texting, bro.
Please, I want to take a picture with you.
Yes. No one of them. Then I'm requesting. Okay, Mr. Kevin, I enjoy watching our practice.
Everybody asks the bigs there.
I was wondering if I could meet after and take a phone.
Come back to me, make bigs get fired. I feel bad to see.
Tell her, brother.
Bigs are laps. They are sleeping.
Both are the boys I want to